Infinite void. Let's start off with creating a message with the text "Hello World." A message is created by pressing the keys Ctrl+2. Let's add a print object to the message. An object is created by pressing the keys Ctrl+1. To go back to the run mode, press the keys Ctrl+E, and you can use this by alternating again by clicking Ctrl+E to go back to edit mode, then press Ctrl+E again to go back to run mode. Run mode. The cursor changes to an arrow. Edit mode is turned on by pressing the keys Ctrl+E. Edit mode. The cursor changes to a hand. Deleting or disconnecting a connection. The cursor changes to an X. Starting a connection. The cursor turns into a circle. Dragging or connecting a connection. The cursor turns into a hand with a string connection. The print message allows the set messages to be displayed in the console window. Let's now get into inlets and outlets. This is an inlet. This is an outlet. There can also be multiple inlets or multiple outlets on an object. Example, let's use the additional sign and I'll show you only one example of multiple inlets. This additional object has multiple inlets. Thanks for watching!